drowning in Zapier alerts in Slack. Let's tame that notification beast and reclaim your focus. This tutorial will guide you through disabling, pausing, and customizing Zapier notifications within Slack, so the right information reaches you at the right time. First, let's access Zapier's Slack integration settings in your Slack workspace. Look for the Apps or Integrations section in the sidebar, often found under More. Click on it. Now search for Zapier within this list. Once you find it, click on the Zapier app to open its settings. On the Zapier app page, you'll typically see an option to manage or go into Settings. Click on that. Here, you'll find controls for how Zapier communicates with you to completely disable notifications. Look for an option like Notifications or Alerts and toggle it off. If you don't want to turn them off entirely, you can often adjust the notification volume or frequency. Look for a slider, drop-down, or specific settings to reduce the number of alerts. This is where we get granular to control where your Zapier notifications go. Find the Channels or Destination setting, click the drop-down to select specific channels that are relevant to your workflow, or choose to send them to a dedicated Zapier Alerts channel. You can also manage notifications on a per-channel basis within Slack itself. If Zapier is posting in a channel you want to quiet, right-click the channel name and select Mute or Notification Settings, and choose to get notified only for mentions. For more advanced control, you can manage individual Zap notifications directly from the Zapier dashboard. Log into Zapier, navigate to My Apps or Integrations, and find your Slack integration. Here, you can often toggle notifications on or off for each individual Zap, allowing you to fine-tune your workflow even further and ensure you're only alerted when a Zap truly requires your attention. By strategically disabling, pausing, and customizing your Zapier notifications, you'll create a calmer, more focused Slack environment, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters.